Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. It's like today we're doing number 279. If we start with this box, looks like we're missing 3, 6, and 7. We've got a 6 here, so 3, 7. 7 here, so 3, 6, and no help here, 3, 6, 7. For this box, we're missing 7, 8, and 9. We've got a 7 and 9 here, so this is our 8. 9 here makes this our 7, 9. For this column now, we're missing 5, 6, and 8. We've got 6s covering both of these boxes, so our 6 has to be here. I don't see any other help. So 5, 8, 5, 8. For this row, we're missing 3, 7, and 9. We've got a 3 here, so 7, 9, and no help here. 3, 7, 9. For this column, we're missing 5, 7, and 8. We've got a 5 and 7 here, so this is our 8. That 5 means this is our 7, 5. For this box now, we're missing 2, 4, and 8. We've got a 4 and 8 here, so this is our 2. A 4 here, so this is our 8, 4. For this box, we're missing 1, 3, and 6. We've got a 3 and 6 here, so this is our 1. Don't see any other help. So 3, 6, 3, 6. For this top row, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 4 here, so 9, 4. For this box, we're missing 2, 3, and 8. We've got a 2 here and a 3 here, so this is our 8. That 2 means this is our 3, 2. That 3 makes this our 6, 3. That 6 makes this our 3, 7, 6. That 7 makes this our 9, 3. If we come back down here, that 5 makes this our 8, 5. So if we look at this column now, we're missing 1 and 6. We've got a 1 here, so 6, 1. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 2, 7. For this row now, we're only missing a 5. For this bottom row, we're missing a 7. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 3, 9. For this row, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 5 here, so 7, 5. For this column now, we're missing 1 and 8. We've got a 1 here, so 8, 1. For this box now, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 6, 8. For this row now, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 4, 5. And to finish out this box, we're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 6 here, so 7 and 6. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.